morning, sir. So this is my market review for August 11, 2020. So we have our scorecard and we have our scoreboard. So first for AUD, we have 2. For CAD, we have -2. For Euro, we have -4. For GBP, we have +2. For JPY, we have 1. NZD, we have -4. And lastly, for USD, we have -4. So let's filter out all invalid trades and all gaps below 5. So we only have these 3 double pairs. So let's check the chart. So first, we have odd NZD. So for odd NZD, this is good for pullback play. So since we have a buy bias, so I place my order here. So we will have around 23 pips na stop loss and 49 pips na TP. And then current distance from entry, we have around 30 pips. And ATR per hour, we have 57.3. So for this one, we will have around today, na-hit ko siya. And then, siguro around tomorrow pa for the TP. So next for odd USD, buy bias again. So for odd USD, this is also good for G1 pullback play. So I'd place my order here. So we have around 29 pips and 60 pips. Current distance from entry, we have around 8 pips na lang. So, possible na siya ma-hit. And then, ATR, we have 70.9. So, next, for your AUD, your JPY, so we have sell bias. So, for your AUD, pwede sana siya for G1 intraday kami. So, medyo hesitant ako something today. Kaya, I'll just wait for a pullback play here. So, we have sell limit. Dito yung stop loss, so around 42 pips. 7. So, hold natin dito. So, stop loss will be 42 pips or 43 pips. TP is around 57. So, 43 and 57. Current distance from entry, we have 71. And ATR per hour, we have 112.5. So again, your GBP, we have sell bias as well. So pwede din sana siyang zero intraday. Kasi lang medyo late din ako nagising. So I'll just wait for pullback play for this one. So I've placed my order here, sell limit. So we have 24 pips. And then TP is around here. So 24 and 50. Current distance from entry. So we have around 55 pips. ATR per hour, we have 53.8. Next, JPY. So for your JPY, We also have okay din sana for G1 intraday. Pero again, I'll be waiting for G1 pullback day for this one. For this, we have 41 pips and around 87 pips. Current distance from M3, we have 46 pips. And then APR per hour, we have 87.7. Next, we have GBP and GBP. So for GBP and GBP, this would be a buy. Yes. So pwede din sana intraday kanina. But again, I'll be waiting for a G1 pullback day since medyo late na nagising today. So we have around 40 pips and 81 pips. Current distance from M3, we have around 56 and 162.8 na APR. Next, we have GBP USD. So for GBP USD, good for pullback play siya. So I'll be waiting around this area. So that would be around 41 pips in stop loss and around 82 pips. And then current distance from entry, we have 48. And then APR per hour, we have 108.9. Lastly, we have this two NZD-JPY and USD-JPY. So all are sell bias. So this is good for pullback play. So I'll be waiting here. So this, I'll place my order here. So this would be my stop loss around 33 pips. PT is around 72. 32 and 70. And current distance from entry, we have nasa 5 pips na lang. So APR per hour, we have 61.4. And then USD JPY again sell. So this is good for pullback pay. So I've placed order here. So we have around 39 pips and 89 pips for the PT. We have current distance from NT, so around 10 pips. APR per hour, we have 76.1. So this one. So probably ang mahihit na malap na would be NZD-JPY, USD-JPY, and then itong OBUSD. And then mag-materialize possible itong tatlong OBUSD, GBP, and GBP today for the PT. So that's it for today. Thank you, sir.